Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I want to introduce how to use the StatCrunch to get the hypothesis testing for a proportion. So first thing is I want to introduce a scenario, that is the researcher claims that 26% of US adults ages 22 to 59 who do not have a parent with a bachelor's degree have completed a bachelor's degree themselves. Means that they are the first generation of the bachelor's degree. Okay, so we have a random sample of the 7,400 adults, and then they ask that 1,984 says that they have completed a bachelor's degrees themselves. We have the alpha level as a 0.10, and then is there enough evidence to support the researcher's claim? So that's the question. So this is question about the proportion, and claim is we have the P equals, so claim itself is P is equal to 0.26. So that's the claim. And then we have the hypothesis testing, which is the null hypothesis is the P equals to 0.26. This is our claim. And alternative is the P is not equal to 0.26. Okay, good. And then we have the sample N as 7,400 people, and we have the X, which is the number of success, is given as 1,984. Yep. So if you want to get the point estimate of the P hat, that is given as X over N, right? So we have all the information here, and also the alpha level is equal to 0.10. Okay, so after we interpret all the information here, we can say that, oh, we have a two-tailed test. And also this is question about the P point estimate, I mean the proportion, right? So when you have the proportion part, we're gonna use the z-test for proportion, right? So that's the thing we have to remember here, and let's go to the StatCrunch. So in the StatCrunch, we have the stat tab, and then we have the proportion stats, and one sample, and we have with the summary. Okay, the number of success is the X. We have 1,984, and number of observation is the number of total samples, which is the 7,400. And then we want to make a hypothesis testing to the 0.26, and then we want to use the critical value as a 0.10. Okay. So this is all the setting we have, and then click compute. Okay, this is the result we have. We have the sample proportion P hat as a 0.2681 something, and then we have the Z stat given as 1.59. And we have the critical value as a 1.64 and P value as a 0.1118. So we are using the standard normal distribution to get the P values and so on. So this is the standard normal distribution we have, and we have the critical value Z0 as the 1.6448. So the rejection region occurs the outside of those distribution, and then we have the z-stat as a 1.59, and it doesn't belong to the rejection region, so we can say that, yeah, we failed to reject the null. So also, we can say that when you have the p-value equals to 0.1118, which is less than, no, not less than, this is greater than 0.1. It means that we still fail to reject the null with the significance level of the 0.10. Okay. So, our conclusion is that we have not sufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis. So we want to keep away from making a conclusion for this claim, and then we're gonna have a step back a little bit to say that yeah, it could be p equals to 0.26. Yep, that's the thing we have. Okay, welcome to this video and thank you for watching.